Hey everybody, welcome to 2019. I'm John Hennessey here at our Hennessey Performance Pennzoil Proving Grounds in wonderful Sealy, Texas, and the sun is shining and the sky is blue, and we've got a beautiful day here today. And I've got a vehicle here with me that I'm super excited about. We actually introduced it at the SEMA show back in November of 2018. This is our Hennessey VelociRaptor V8. You're correct. This is a brand new Ford Raptor truck. We took out the EcoBoost twin turbo V6 3.5 liter engine and we replaced it with the Ford 5 liter modular motor engine that's been upgraded with our 758 horsepower supercharger package. And it runs, it drives, it sounds gnarly. And I want to give you guys a walk around of the vehicle, show you details about the vehicle, and then I'm just going to go drive it. And for the purposes of today, we're probably just going to stay mostly on-road. We may do some off-road videos with the truck at some point in the near future, but as you would expect, it sounds rowdy, it drives rowdy, it looks rowdy, and it's very, very special and unique. So let me give you a quick walk around. All right, here's the quick shmee walk around of our VelociRaptor V8. So as you can see, this actually was a 2018, but all of our VelociRaptor V8 production going forward, all of our clients are buying brand new 2019s. Predominantly, they're running the 4-doors, but man, I tell you what, as I've spent some time with the 2-door, the extended cab, I just love the kind of the short wheelbase look of it. So, okay, so what's special about the truck? Well, let's get right down to the business. And let's pop the hood and see what's going on. So, voila, there it is in all its glory. Ford's 5 liter mod motor V8 engine. Same engine that comes in the F-150. We also swap out the transmission. We take out the Raptor 10-speed and we put in the F-150 10-speed, and then we also upgrade with the 2.9 liter supercharger system, high flow, air intake, upgraded injectors, fuel system. Running about 7 pounds of boost. We're making, with these big ass 37-inch BFG tires, we're making about 560 horsepower at the wheels. So it's way over 750 horsepower at the motor. The VelociRaptor V8 is raised up about 8 inches from stock. So between the upgraded suspension and the taller tires, the thing I wanted to point out is that you've got the air intake, which is pretty darn high. It doesn't have a snorkel on it like you're going to cross a river or stream, but this could go through some really, really deep water. This has got our VelociRaptor upgraded front bumper system with the LED lights both in the bumper and off to the side. We can put a winch in there for clients that might think they might get stuck from time to time. Again, our Hennessey bespoke 20-inch wheels with the BFG 37-inch tires. And then you've got the big upgraded Brembo brakes, the 15.1-inch rotors with the 6-piston, actually the 8-piston caliper up front. And then on this particular truck, we've got the drop-down side steps, which are cool. Again, just a neat, clean, fun truck to drive. And I guess everybody wants to hear it. Let's fire this baby up. What do we got going on here? Yes, this is a real Raptor. I mean, there's some people out there that have taken the new F-150 and put Raptor body parts on it, but that's not a real Raptor. That's like going out and buying a Scat Pack, Challenger, Charger, or something like that, and then putting a Demon bodywork on it. I mean, that's not a real Demon. So this is a real Raptor with a real V8. And inside, got a nice sound to it. Let's see, let me go through, I'm going to scroll through the various modes. So everything works. We can go to, we're in normal mode, sport mode, weather mode, mud and sand. Now we're shifting gears. Baja or rock crawl. So again, all the features that you expect that come from the factory, from the Raptor, those still work after we've taken out the EcoBoost and gone to the V8 conversion. So that's honestly, that's taken us a couple months to sort out through all the software changes and wiring harnesses and ECUs and lots of compatibility issues that we've sorted through. But this truck runs and drives like it came from Ford with the V8. So I'll do a little bit more of a walk around here and then we'll go for a drive. There it is. That's what sound everybody wants. Gotta love it. All right, so I think it's time to go drive. Okay, so what's the VelociRaptor V8 like to drive? Well, it drives a lot like a stock Raptor. It just goes faster and sounds better. I mean, I know that sounds kind of maybe a little cliche, but yeah, it reminds me a little bit of the Gen 1 Raptor with the 6.2 liter. But this truck being all aluminum, it's lighter, it's more powerful, and it just sounds incredible. So I'll let the truck do the talking. Brembo's to slow us down. I'm not going to be like Joey Logano and start sliding it sideways. So just keep it hooked up going around the turn here. And then once she goes straight, we'll go blowing by. All right. His speed is cranking. And the thing is, with the big tires, if we put a smaller tire on here, we put the stock tire on here, it'd probably make another 40 to the wheels. The bigger tires do cause some parasitic drag, but again, this vehicle is balanced. You know, you can take it in mud, snow, you can take it through deep water, you can take the kids to school, you can drive it to church. You know, so what's the downside of the VelociRaptor V8? Well, right now I think we have approximately 20 orders for these. Each one takes about 2 months to build. So if you were to place an order right now for a VelociRaptor V8, by the time we source your 2019 Raptor truck, or you get your 2019 Raptor truck to us, and by the time the build is completed, once we get past our current backlog, you're probably looking at a May delivery. So you're looking at 4 or 5 months for delivery. The other item is cost. I mean, so we take a brand new Raptor truck, which now we're pushing 75 grand, and then the complete upgrade, including bumpers, wheels, tires, LED lights, you're looking at $65,000. So now you're talking about you got $140,000 plus in the vehicle. You add the Brembo brakes, you're upwards of $150,000. Well, look, that's no small amount of money by anybody's estimation, but I think from a value perspective, I mean, it's less money than a G-Wagon, and I think it's way cooler. So let's do, I know if I do a standing start from 2-wheel drive, it will spin like crazy. So we're in 4-wheel, on your marks, get set. Bring her on down. Anyway, I'm super stoked about this truck. I've got a chance to drive it the last couple days and put a couple hundred miles on it, and it is just so much fun. It's the Raptor that, honestly, it's the Raptor that everybody wants. Maybe not everybody can afford it, maybe not everybody can justify it. And look, we still build a lot of VelociRaptor 600s. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the EcoBoost V6. We built hundreds of those with our VelociRaptor 600 package. No, it doesn't sound as good as a V8, but I mean, the cost of that truck versus this truck, it's, you know, our VelociRaptor 600s, including the base truck, are generally, with similar equipment, $110,000, $115,000. I mean, this truck is another $35,000 premium over that. But again, if you want something that's very special, unique, we're only going to build 50 for this year, so they're very unique, very exclusive. The VelociRaptor V8 is hard to beat. And the sound. Come on! Ridiculous. And our last run down the track. Come on! Golly! Unbelievable. Hear that V8 roar to 7,000 RPM. Thanks for tuning in.